You know your English? Who go interpret for me now?
But me what to getting irin ta ba.
Waiting in talk.
He say he never ever see this kind of car.
You never see this car come before?
No.
Motor nan yanzu ba ta amfani da mai.
Allah.
You know they use fuel.
Tell her what they call her now, cyber truck.
Cyber truck 2025.
Kai. Wannan?
Wannan
Ba fuel.
ake mata.
Ba.
Charger.
Ba mai. Fata amfani da mai wannan.
See. Tell her say, what I go do for her? Motor we never see before. Me, as I be Esan man of Abuja, the Esan man of Abuja. Me, I want to make it enter this motor now. No matter. You never see him before, but no. Because of Esan man, you don't enter.
No.
Wanna? Yo, wow.
Tampurin kenan.
Yo, wow. Enter.
Ba ta mu komai ba. Ba ta mu komai ba. Hai.
Guys, you enter. No. Wear your slippers. Enter. Hey, enter. Yo, wow.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi.
You never see cyber truck before, but today don't enter. That is what the Esan man of Abuja can do. Eh? Oh yeah, ask her how it be now.
Hey, daddy ke gare
Oh yeah,
ka.
come down first.
Ba abun da ba.
Kazo mana.
Abun ya da ya ciki
You
mana.
don't do. Tell her say if you want to enjoy this car, now only 210 million. Yo, wow. Now go do.
Mahiya zan shiga.
210 million.
An ba ne ma. In ba mahiya.
Now go do.
Kasuwa ba za ta bin kuɗin motar nan ba.
Wanna good? Wanna? You see about? You want enter?
Wannan ai Allah ya ba ni wannan mota. Allah ya ba ni wannan mota. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Ko ba mata wannan rayuwa ta yi in na samu wannan. Ko ba mata na samu wannan rayuwa ta yi. Kai.
Voilà. Kai. After the say call down. Kazoko, mana.
Kai.
Kazoko. So.
Make it touch on myself. Don't talk about it.
Mana so. Come see I make it lock up myself. Oh yeah, touch here. Touch here. Yo, wow. Hey.